Today on the menu are these plump and tender lemon marshmallows that are incredible with coffee or tea and make a great customizable sweet treat for the kids. Lots of ways to have fun with this recipe, so let's get into it. First up on the agenda is making the syrup, so get a small pot on medium heat and pour in half of the water in the recipe, then the sugar, and bring this to a simmer. While the sugar is cooking, bloom the packaged gelatin in the remaining cold water for about 10 minutes or until it is very thick. As you're waiting for the syrup to come up to temperature, make sure to thoroughly zest 2 lemons. It's really important that this recipe is very intensely lemon zest heavy, otherwise it can get lost in the sweetness. Once the sugar is simmering, turn up the heat to medium-high and bring the sugar syrup up to around 240 to 245 degrees Fahrenheit. Then remove it from the heat. Then you're going to add in the bloomed gelatin to the bowl of an electric mixer. Turn on medium speed, then slowly add in the hot syrup. Once you've added in about 1/4 of the syrup, pour the rest in and turn the mixer on to full speed. At this point during the mixing, add in the lemon zest and a little lemon juice, just not too much, and finish whipping until it holds solid ribbons when it's poured over itself. Pour the lemon marshmallow onto a tray lined with parchment or silpat and coated with a 50-50 blend of cornstarch and powdered sugar. Allow it to settle, then you're going to coat the top of it with an even layer of that cornstarch mixture, and then you're going to allow this to set for 3 to 4 hours. Once the marshmallow has set, get a long knife or a spaced pastry roller and carefully slice the marshmallow into even cubes. Just make sure to coat the knife in cornstarch every other cut. Now to plate this up, it's pretty easy. Just grab one of your favorite wooden bowls or a candy jar, fill it to the brim with the zesty marshmallows, top with lemon zest just to give it a pop of color, and bon appetit, everybody. These little marshmallow treats are almost deceivingly refreshing, and there's a million and one ways to change up the flavors with this. So if you guys want to see a few different varieties on this recipe, drop a comment, give this video a like, and I will see you guys next time with another recipe. Later, everybody.